Hello friends, so this is once again Kaushik's World and guess what? आज हम लोग विवांता में हैं, that is in Bhubaneswar. First of all, a big thanks to Mr. Ashika, the general manager of Vivanta, for his outstanding service. क्योंकि हमारा गाड़ी, you know, got stuck in between just before 9 kilometers and the tire got flat. And within no time, he had sent his team to rescue and as well as fix my car. That was really outstanding. And despite of you were on leave, you still had gone ahead and assisted us exceeding any of the guest or customers' expectations. This is very rarely seen, except you made us feel as we are VVIPs. Alright, so dosto, the reason for this video is I'm going to do a small review on this room that we have been provided. And once again, thanks to Vivanta for providing me an excellent service. Couldn't thank you guys from the core of our heart that made our day very special. Um, so what we'll do is that I'm going to take you across the room and room it or बनी रही वीडियो में and चलिए let's go and show you the room. So basically it was once again I would also like to thank Mr. Amit, um, who is also from uh, Bhubaneswar, and he's basically uh, acting general manager right now because Mr. Ashirwad is on leave for some personal reason. बट एनी विच वेज वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा नए जो मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं. सो चलिए विदाउट वेटिंग लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द रूम. Taj Bhubneshwar. Is a small washroom which is very cozy because the reason is that it's a 1 BHK suite. So let's show you the amenities here. It's a small washroom which can be used for emergency purposes. So let's get outside of this. So nothing to complain about this because we it's we who had done this. And on here you also get a coffee machine for espresso, as well as a small coffee machine as well, the normal one, the old school one, along with beautiful furnitures. um, and as well as they give a tea coffee sachets. Along with this they give you a Lavazza blue coffee maker. So basically this is the solution that you have to put inside and make it. तो ये तो है ही, और इंटीरियर्स काफ़ी सही है. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी इन भुवनेश्वर आई गेस. तो ये एक बड़ा सा मिरर है, तो यहाँ पे सामान कुछ रख सकते हो आप लोग. दे ऑल्सो हैव गॉट बिग टीवी इन दिस रूम along with a huge balcony. It's not a balcony, rather a glass window which you can't see right now. You just can see myself, so it's so clear. And this is, you can see the cars passing by. Yeah, exactly. That's the highway. The left side goes to Vizag. वहाँ पे हम लोग गए थे. And the right side is Kolkata, where we'll be traveling tomorrow. Or let's get it. Beautiful, बहुत सुंदर फोटो फ्रेम्स है यहाँ पे. लैम्प शेड्स भी लगा हुआ है. There is also a connecting door as well for another room. Agar you have an extended family or somebody with you, then you can ask them to accommodate in that room. So now coming to the bedroom, it has got a huge bed which accommodates three of us because my son is quite almost of my height, uh, but it's quite cozy. Again, sorry about the messy stuff. And they've got a workstation. What I like about this is that first of all मैं तो सोच रहा था, I was thinking that कहाँ से इसको खोलना, मैं ऐसा सीधा ऐसा खींच रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसा खींच रहा हूँ, उसके बाद मुझे पता चला you just have to give a push. Here we go. And again, that's it. Nice, right? And again, here also they have got a big window, um, and that's the coffee shop where we will go for dinner. And there's a swimming pool right on the other side. Now, coming to this room, this is we've got another huge TV here. Now, they've got a big almirah here with all the amenities that you need. With whatever it's very basic things, whatever things you get in normal hotels, यही रहेगा यहाँ पे. Nothing more than that. So this is also lot of space and lot of places there. So, and now let's go to the bathroom area, the bigger one. So this is the bathroom, and they've got this body lotion, amazing. They were like, must इसका smell है. So they give you the cotton balls and all the other amenities. They've got this big cubicle. It's not typical that small one, but it's a big one. We've got a bathtub. There's a bathtub over here. There's a window which can be opened, but we didn't open. So, so I think that's the overall video of Taj Vivanta. That's in Bhubaneswar. Once again, this is the suite room. And people, if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, and as well as share this video as much as you can. And once again, thank you so much, Vivanta Bhubaneswar, for an outstanding service. This is Kaushik's World signing off.